Jingawala, jingawala. Naya nan jargon. Naya yama yama jargon. Ganama jargon. This is my grandfather and grandmother's country. Welcome. This country is called the Viable Country. And Viable Country is very special because of the bunya nut tree. This is the home of the bunya nut tree. Part of the whole Tweed Valley is part of the bunya nut tree, you know. They're very sacred, and they never grew anywhere else in the world. Only someone took a seed and took it overseas and grew it, it'll grow, yeah. But this is where it originated from. This whole area, viable, beautiful, yep, and viable country, people here. Beautiful, viable, yeah. Yeah, and we couldn't, Dad couldn't come in. I don't know, he's supposed to come in, but I actually do it all the time we do this. So we've got to get things happening. And we're going to actually sing a welcome song. It's a welcome gathering song because we've all gathered here today, you know. And the welcome gathering song is Garing Ginanami, Georgia Moderono, Kaya Mama Rangai, Jagung Bunganyondo. Here we live on a flat treeless plain. This country is our home. Now we're going back there. That's what they said. And this is a bunya nut song too. So when they first started picking the bunya nut off the bunya nut tree once every 3 years, they hold a bunya nut festival. And all the mob would sing this song. And when they'd sing that song, they've got over thousands of people be singing that song, and it sounded like a beehive, and they'd carry out the wind, and the breeze would carry that song out. And they'd hear it, other tribes would hear it in the wind. And they'd sing, oh, the bunya nut festival's on. And they'd be all happy, you know. And they'd leave their country, go for a walk out the bush and get fruit, berries, nuts, bush plums and everything like that, and start walking to the coast, to Evans Head, to have a big festival. And then, so when we sang, that song went out, and mob come to join up the festival. Yeah, and when they finish up, they would take home the bunya nut for the sick people that couldn't come. And some mob, they couldn't come because I was sick or were too old, you know. So they'd go back home and they'd do a little bunya nut festival at home for the mob at home and show them how, you know what I mean? They do a little dance and that about the bunya nut. Yeah. And for the mob that couldn't go. Yeah. And this is a song, going in the name. Georgia Moderono, Kaya Mama Rangai, Jagung Bunganyondo. Thank you. gonna sing a couple of Mother Earth songs, because our Mother Earth needs to be healed. Because look what they're doing to our Mother Earth. You know, I call it the greedy race of people. Look what they're doing. What about our little kids? What about our little kids' future? You know? Yeah. This song I'm going to sing for you, it comes from the desert. And this song comes from the Wallanguru, right out on the Northern Territory, Western Australian border. Wallanguru, called Wallanguru, but the white fellas call it Kintor. Kintor, yeah. So, this song comes from there. One of my mums taught me this song to share with the world, share with everybody. And anyone can learn this song, even other people from overseas. And I've even taught other people to sing this song in their language. And it sounds deadly, it sounds real good. Yeah. And this song is actually sang from the last tribe that was brought in from the bush since 1984. They didn't even think this tribe existed until 1984, when they flew a certain part over the desert. They seen mobs still living traditional way. In 1984. Yeah, and this song comes from them. Goromba, Melmelareni, Mara, Katora Bambola, Polekatuano, Mantachaluano, Gorom, Bamelmelareni. Holy Spirit in this land, reach out and touch us with your hand, from the highest mountains to the deep, deep valleys. Holy Spirit in this land. Ngaran Bamelmelareni, Amala Kadala Bambola, Polekatuano, Mantachaluano, Ngaran Bamelmelareni. Yo, thank you. This next song is another Mother Earth song. Yeah, this comes from Southeast Queensland, this song, from Nunukal people, my family too. Oh Maya Jalo, Nale Bambalora Ranjala, 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 Nale Bambalora Thank you. You want to hear a couple more, another one? Who likes the sea eagle? It's very special, you know, to our people, because the sea eagle is a main actor, see? Especially the black and white one, because he followed the school of fish all the way up and down the east coast. all up and down the East Coast and that, you know. And so when he comes up to our country, he yells out to us to let us know we've got to get our fishing gear ready. Yeah, that's Sea Eagle. He let us know where to go and get the fish. Yeah. Mibban, they say it in Bundalang. Yeah. In Newnock was Merigimpa. Yeah. Here it is, Merigimpa, the Sea Eagle. Merigimpa, aranya jepelkan. Oh, Merigimpa, aranya. Oh, Merigimpa, wanje, elomadakau. Oh, Merigimpa, aranya jepelkan. Oh, Merigimpa, aranya. Oh, Merigimpa, wanje, elomadakau. Thank you. Another one? Is there another one? Yeah. Okay, this one, a very special one. This is my grandfather, he was over 100 years old. He was the first Aboriginal that rode a horse and a motorbike. Yeah, Grandad Jack. Yeah, Jackie. Grandad Jack, yeah. From the Pilbara country in Western Australia, in the desert. Yeah. And he riding through a community, riding a horse and flicking his hat up and all. Yeah, riding through. Everyone freaked out. They never seen a person ride a horse before. Been a long time ago, you know. Yeah. Thank you.